In today's video, I am going to teach you how to check a cell color in Excel. To begin, open your Excel worksheet and click the cell that has the color you want to check. This is important because Excel will show the formatting details for the currently selected cell. Make sure you click directly on the correct cell before moving on. Next, go to the Home tab at the top of the Excel window. This is where most basic formatting tools are located, including the option for changing and reviewing fill colors. Once you are on the Home tab, look across the ribbon for the font group. This section includes common text and cell formatting controls, such as font style, font size, borders, and fill color. In the font group, find the fill color icon. It looks like a small paint bucket. Instead of clicking the main paint bucket itself, click the small drop-down arrow next to it. This opens the color menu and gives you more detailed options than the quick color choices. When the menu appears, look at the bottom and click More Colors. This will open a pop-up window with additional color settings. In that window, click the Custom tab at the top. The Custom tab is useful because it shows the exact color values instead of just a visual color palette. Now locate the Color Model section. Here, Excel displays the precise numeric values that make up the selected color. You will see boxes for red, green, and blue. These are often called RGB values. Read the numbers shown in those boxes if you need to identify the exact color used in the cell. This can be especially helpful if you want to match the same color elsewhere in your workbook or share the color with someone for consistency. You may also see a hex box in this window. If you need the color for digital design or another platform that uses hexadecimal color codes, copy the code shown there. That gives you another way to reference the exact same color outside of Excel. After you have checked the values or copied the hex code, click Cancel to close the window. Using Cancel keeps everything the same and simply exits the color settings without making changes to the cell. That covers everything you need to know.